Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crazy Learner. I hope you all are good and doing well. Today we are going to learn parts of body. Yes friends, आज मैं आपको सिखाने वाली हूँ हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स के नेम। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना टाइम को वेस्ट करते हैं। और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर लीजिए ताकि न्यू वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। हेड, forehead, ears, nose, hair. This is lips. These are lips. Okay? This is my lower lip and this is upper. This is teeth. Show your teeth like this. Show your teeth again. Yes. Do you know how many teeth do we have? We have 32 teeth. Yes, 32 teeth. Show your tongue. This is my tongue. Show your tongue again. This is my cheeks. This is chin and neck, shoulder. Move your shoulder. Yes, move your shoulder again. Yes, these are my arms. This is my strong arms. How many arms do you have? We have 2 arms. Show your strong arms. Yes, these are my eyes. Yes, we have 2 shiny eyes. Blink your eyes. Blink, blink, blink. Blink your eyes again. Blink your eyes. Yes. And this is my hands. How many hands do you have? We have 2 hands. 1, 2. Okay, we have 2 hands. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. Yes, these are my fingers. These are my fingers. Let's count our finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers do you have? 10. We have 10 little fingers. Do you remember this time? 10 little fingers, 10 little toes. Yes, we have 10 little fingers. Okay, this is my arm. Yes, show your strong arms. Yes. Okay, this is my stomach. This is our leg. This is our thighs, knees, and this is foot. अगर हम एक की बात करेंगे तो हम बोलेंगे फुट। अगर हम करेंगे 2 की बात, दोनों पैरों की बात, वी हैव 2 फीट। ठीक है, अगर हम 2 की बात करेंगे तो 2 फीट होंगे। अगर 1 की बात करेंगे तो 1 को हम बोलेंगे फुट। एंड दिस इज अवर हील। यस, दिस इज अवर हील। ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज hairs. Yes, there is long hairs. Yes, what is this? This is hair. Which body part is this? These are 2 shiny eyes. These are 2 shiny eyes. Blink your eyes. Blink, blink, blink. Blink your eyes again. Blink your eyes. Okay. See, what is this? This is my ear. Hold your ears with your both hands. Hold your both ears with your both hands. We have 2 ears. Show your teeth. Show your teeth again. Yes. Do you know how many teeth do we have? Yes, 30 is this. This is our nose. What is this? This is nose. What is this? This is our strong arm. Yes, this is our strong arm. Show your both arms. Yes, these are our strong arms. What is this? Lips. Yes, this is lips. Which body part is this? Lips. What is this? Yes, this is our one finger. Yes, one fingers. How many fingers do we have? Yes, we have 10 little fingers. This is our leg. This is our thighs, knees, and this is फुट। अगर हम एक की बात करेंगे तो हम बोलेंगे फुट। अगर हम करेंगे दो की बात, दोनों पैरों की बात, वी हैव 2 फीट। ठीक है। अगर हम 2 की बात करेंगे तो 2 फीट होंगे। अगर 1 की बात करेंगे तो 1 को हम बोलेंगे फुट। एंड दिस इज अवर हील। यस, दिस इज अवर हील। ओके, what is this? This is our hand. This is our one hand. But we have 2 hands. Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. So, फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो जो कि थी पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी पे। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक शेयर कमेंट करना मत भूलिएगा। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर लीजिए। तो हम मिलते हैं अपनी अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय।